If you ask me that, oh, should Monaco be in the calendar till 2032 as to how it is right now? Maybe not. There's so many people who are waiting around for a chance. So will Kush be one of those who will get that? That we don't know. But does he have the ability to?
Dan Lucas Oil taking the win with Kush Moinian.
Lando,
कर दिया
सबका मुंह बंद कर दिया तुमने. Very good.
तेरा भी ना.
Yeah.
You were also saying
Race.
PSP.
Lando Norris wins the Monaco Grand Prix.
You know what? There was one overtaken Monaco.
Lance Stroll.
Yeah!
Can I give mine?
Yeah.
I think Hamilton will get a pole win.
Now that's funny.
Are you upset with me or something?
Like Ferrari and Red Bull is right now the same speed. Because,
Ferrari and Red Bull seems.
yeah. Because honestly, if you hear me out. I said you give 4.
I was thinking of 4.
I'm gonna get all comments. Himika, you don't let him speak. Bro, calm down. Okay? You'll never not love Lando. I mean,
I'm just saying.
I
we
was just
spoke about
saying
it last
ki-
weekend and he
ki
came back
हाँ,
and he's
ki-
like, Himika, who's your
do
daddy?
you love me yet? No, no.
Alright guys, Monaco GP done and dusted, and we've decided today that we're only going to speak on a few things. By few I mean about 4 to 5 pointers only, specifically, so that we keep the video short, more interesting, and you'll have to wait and find out what is it exactly. But I'd like to begin by asking Himika, are you upset with me or something? Are you? Come on, yeah, don't be like Ferrari now. At least give me a reply.
I'm just gonna be Ferrari right now and not
Please.
say anything.
Did Hamilton have to say please?
I think we'll have to ask Hamilton.
Bro, I'm just wondering what's
Dude, yeah.
happened.
But who's your daddy, Stalin? Who is your daddy? We've had some crazy
Yeah. Zach Brown.
one-liners
Zach Brown.
and
But
Zach Brown
let's
lines.
first start off with
What?
Monaco.
Yeah, you tell me, na, Stalin. Did you
I was-
like the new change? Do you think that made it more interesting? Interesting?
I think it didn't matter honestly. Ek to.
Because it's the same
I-
shit.
Yeah, I think we saw the grid. What was interesting was Friday, Saturday, right? To look at free practice 1, 2,
Yeah.
and to see the qualifying, to just understand as to what's going to happen. And I think in my mind, it was the same thing that if I don't watch the race on Sunday, it's fine because I know what's going to happen on Saturday, right? I think that's going to be the full and final. So I
Okay.
think my focus was that. But yeah, honestly, Ferrari's not doing well. So that's one of the reasons, which is why I find this
Ferrari is
boring.
not doing well.
Yeah, I mean,
Bro, are you stupid?
a little bit.
The fuck? Ferrari just got their first podium this season. And you're saying Ferrari is not doing well.
I mean, I'm looking at it from a Hamilton point of view.
Screw
It doesn't matter
Hamilton.
what Charles
Ferrari
doing.
is still doing well. Hamilton is not doing well. They're two very different things. I think Ferrari has had their best end to a Grand Prix this season with Monaco. I know Charles is not happy, but Charles is just broken by now. Like if you've been in Ferrari for 8 years, you'd be broken too.
See,
I
the
mean, I
point
get
is-
that, but
The point is with him, he knows the track very well. You could see it. The way he was in free practice, qualifying.
not
He was
important.
going
It's
at it.
Monaco. He should have gotten faster then.
I'm not saying no. I'm
Nahi,
not
nahi,
saying
I'm
no.
just saying.
I'm just saying ki the fact is that some things have to change for Ferrari in general. Like in terms maybe the car. People spoke about their.
Ferrari's upgrades are working. Like honestly, I know you're a Ferrari fan, so you're a little more
I'm a
hurt.
Lewis fan, hoping that Ferrari helps him do well. Just let me rephrase that.
Lewis Ferrari. Right now, Lewis Ferrari. Does it make it easier?
I mean, with so much miscommunications and everything that's happening, I don't know, bro. Like,
But that's
what's
see,
really the scene?
But
like,
if you look at say a Williams where we have somebody who's already accustomed to the team like Albon, how we have Charles in Ferrari, and we have somebody new like Sainz in Williams, like we have Hamilton in Ferrari. People who are more used to the car are performing better than the people who are getting used to the car because that's how it is. If you're getting used to a new car and a new team, you are allowed to have some time because thankfully you did not sign up with Red Bull. You know what I mean? So with
but
Red
I'm-
Bull, if
I'm
you
also-
signed, it's
I'm-
different.
I'm also coming from a space key. See, with Hamilton, right? now it's not about the car.
You're just sad.
It's just about the communication that he wants. Like, talk to me, tell me properly what you want. You know, the
But
fact
ga-
that
why
the
you
fact that they told
surprised?
because
It's
I
with
haven't-
Ferrari. Ferrari is
Exactly my
like
point.
Ferrari is
Because I
literally the
haven't-
same team which said it must be the water when Charles said it's water. Like, what do you expect from this team? What do you want? Their not answering is better than answering and saying it must be the water. So I mean,
I think that's a good point.
I mean, what I don't see. Being very honest, there is no point crying about Ferrari radio when we have more important things like how they finished in the race.
But I
mean,
just hope it gets better. That's what I'm saying.
I mean, we'll see. I mean, see, honestly, upgrades are working, is how I saw it. Ferrari ended in better position. They seemed better. They had better race pace this race than last race. They have been in the front after a while. Also because Mercedes fucked up, so maybe that also pushed them a little bit to get more ahead, because otherwise it's Mercedes pace that they have taken. But I feel the upgrades are working, is
Yeah.
all I would say. Yes.
I wasn't
Because
expecting him
otherwise
to be at
Charles,
least a minute behind, but he.
like, अरे Hamilton का तो देखो bro, I am not Hamilton fan. मतलब I don't hate him, but I'm not specifically looking at Hamilton when I talk about Ferrari. I'm just talking about Ferrari as a whole. And as a whole, I feel Hamilton still has had a better finish than he's had all season, right? Am I wrong?
But he's been P5 in Monaco in the last 3 races. P5, P5, P5.
Yeah, but those 2 years were Mercedes. Then I think there's something wrong with Hamilton there, no?
No, which is why in the
Which
last
is why.
which is
Bitch
why in the
is
last 2
why.
years he's come,
Why,
though,
bitch?
After that last 2 years.
Yeah, so sad, na?
Yeah, so
Sucks to be Hamilton and Hamilton fans.
Yeah.
Oopsie. But okay, moving on from our crier. Moving on from Hamilton. I mean, we'll go to.
Williams?
No, I think
Mercedes?
I just wanted to have a quick chat and give my thoughts about how I found Monaco,
Yeah,
if
yeah.
I was allowed
We
to.
we went
He does
into
not let me
Lewis.
talk,
I'm so
man.
sorry.
Now I'm gonna get all comments. Mika, you don't let him speak. Bro, calm down, okay? कांदी वाली आई हूँ मैं, ठीक है? अगर यहाँ बात नहीं करूँगी तो कहाँ?
कर ले.
नहीं मजाक.
No, go for it.
I kind of liked Monaco. I'm not gonna lie. I think it was more fun. I'm not saying I want every race to be like Monaco. No, of course not. Because at the end of the day, we are looking at overtakes. But you know how every team tried to play their cards. I think I would give them some credit. Like we saw a lot of different tactics than we would have seen in other races where you can overtake. Like
Yeah.
we saw teams like I never expected a team to be so slow that you're allowing another driver to have like 2 pit stops. I mean, not one, 2 pit stops at a place where pit stop window is 21 seconds per pit stop. That you need 45 seconds approximately to carry up 2 pit stops, and your your teammate is stopping the entire grid, and it's not against the law, so nobody can say shit.
I think
I mean-
Toto was mentioning about
No,
that.
Michael, no.
that-
Michael, this is not fair.
Yeah. I
That's
mean,
all.
he was saying that maybe the drivers shouldn't be allowed to slow down, reduce the pace, and I think,
Now it's too late.
yeah,
Now it's too late. And see, it's not against the law. I mean, it's like saying ki you cannot give DRS, like Carlos couldn't have given DRS to Lando in a Singapore Grand Prix 2023 because it's not fair. It's tactics. It worked for both of them. This is tactics. It worked for both of them. You know, see, because Williams only did it after VCARB did it. Did you notice that? Because VCARB were the first people to do it. Because
Yeah.
I remember Lawson first held up and Hajar went and did 2 pit stops,
was
and
told
Lawson
to.
went and did two pit
pit
stops.
stops.
And then Williams saw that and we're like, wait, why are we not doing this? And that's what happened, and that's what they did. So these kind of power play, like I remember in the race, they were having an interview with James. With James,
Vowles.
with Vowles, that what is happening? Like, yeah, like VCARB is doing this. I think it's not fair, and you know, I have never seen these tactics. And 10 minutes later, they are doing the same thing. So they did adapt on the spot. So these on the spot adaptability, it was fun to watch. To figure out which team is doing pit stops when, how Mercedes forgot their pit stop, like all of that it was fun to watch, because you're just like, especially in a race like Monaco where you're just like, hey bro, क्या ही हो रहा है. हाँ, again like the whole thing where Max, just to fuck with Lando, he just like slowed the fuck down. Like, bro,
Yeah, I think I think
there were
it's-
moments like
yeah.
I have seen races that are more boring than Monaco this year. As per me, as this year there have been races which are like little more boring. Yes, if you ask me that, oh, should Monaco be in the calendar till 2032 as to how it is right now, maybe not. But
Maybe with a few changes.
the thing is, you know what? Okay, now we'll get a little serious.
Maybe it would be off the calendar for about a year or two if they could, probably get the racetrack changed a bit where you feel that there is a chance to overtake and make it a little more exciting.
See, the problem
with
is
probably a mandatory 2 or 1 pit stop, whatever, and then probably you can get it back.
the problem is, you know what? Something that I realized, Monaco, the track has been like this since the beginning of time.
And the
It's-
complaints also.
No, it's the cars that have changed. The cars have become bigger and wider with bigger tires. That is the reason why there are no overtakes. Before there were overtakes in Monaco.
But I
There were
also read a
places in
post
Monaco.
that even if the cars were small or thinner, it wouldn't matter much.
No, there would still be overtakes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like initially in the beginning of time, there were overtakes in Monaco, were there not? Of course there were. The track has been the same. It's the cars that have changed. And now everybody's abusing Monaco. Like, okay, I'm not saying don't abuse. मेरे बाप का नहीं है Monaco. काश होता, मज़ा आ जाता. But नहीं है. But I'm just saying कि it's not just the track. But again, if you are making your cars like this, you need to choose your tracks wisely. Because Monaco, again, another reason why people do Monaco is because the amount of money you earn at Monaco, you don't earn anywhere else.
I was gonna
It's
say that.
also business.
Luxury.
Yeah, and that's what drivers are also against. They're like, I understand you want to make money, which is fair. You're already making shit tons of money. But at the end of the day, Formula One is a sporting event. And if you are not, it's a racing event. And if you're not being able to race, then the fuck are you doing?
Yeah.
Wow,
makes
the amount of
sense.
times I've said fuck today is crazy.
Loving it.
I'm gonna get penalized by FIA.
So, would you want Monaco next year or no on the calendar? Doesn't matter.
I don't think they listen to me. So I mean,
No, but at least
I
settle
mean,
us.
to
from,
be very
from your
honest,
perspective, you want it.
till 2032, not really. Next year, maybe. Honestly, you know what? I feel there are better tracks that are not being renewed. Why is Austria not being renewed? Why is Imola not being renewed? Why are these tracks not being renewed? And why are we getting those shit ass narrow, small, flat ass surfaces for racing? Just because those people can pay? That's crazy. La Formula One, the sport is changing for money, man. Like, you're already earning money. Can you let us fucking watch the thing that we are spending so much money on? At the end of the day, they are removing all these historical tracks with historical amount of racing, the kind of things like Senna, Schumacher, initial Max. These people, they've built themselves on those tracks, and now you're removing it. Like, it's like Spa. You never know how long Spa is there for. Like, these are all historical tracks, and they should be here. But otherwise, we are not getting that. We're getting a Las Vegas where there's a shit ass track with nothing to do, and we're getting Monaco where we just act excited because we've paid so much money to watch the race.
Yeah, but I mean, over and above, it wasn't that bad. ठीक था. मतलब you could watch. It was not like bad. Like, it was nice.
How much
I
would
would
you
say
give
like
that? And that will do end of the.
towards that's a segment.
Okay.
Anyways, should we move to our next?
Yes, of course. Whatever you want, Stalin.
I was saying, should we move to Williams, the strategy that you just spoke about?
Yeah, I think we did it. But you want to have something? Like,
No,
please
I'm
go
good.
on.
I'm good.
Add
I
something.
wanted to know if you wanted to add something.
नहीं, I
I
want
was
you
like,
to
ठीक
talk,
है.
यार. तू
मतलब
बता.
I'm
तू
I'm
बता,
there.
bro, क्या चल रहा है?
I'm there to take you through the flow.
तू
and then
बता
we
यार
can-
क्या चल रहा है, Stalin? Guys, don't you think Stalin should talk more? I really think Stalin should talk more. I think you should comment and tell him to talk more. Now he's just shy. Look at him blush.
I'm not
Can
shy.
you
I'm
give it like a
I'm
slow
just
zoom on his
TK.
face? Well,
It's
now.
not happening.
Look at him. He's like, two of his
Anyways.
veins are popping off. He's like, fuck, fuck, fuck.
ठीक है. If not Williams, I think we've spoken about Ferrari and the
I
race
want to
engineer
just
as
add
well.
one thing. I just want to
जब पूछा
clap.
तभी नहीं बताया.
नहीं, Williams के बारे में नहीं मानता Williams. Cut that. I just want to add that VCARB has had their best finish this season in Monaco with P6 and P7, and I think that's amazing.
Christian
And
Horner was pretty upset about it though.
screw Horner. Who cares about Horner?
I
But
was-
again, another fun fact: Isaac Hajar has more points than both Liam and Yuki combined. So that's also a cool stat to have. And I think Hajar is great. And I'm very scared that they're gonna pull him from there and put him in a Red Bull, where again he's gonna be shit. So I hope that doesn't happen. Another thing, you know what?
Please.
There was one overtake in Monaco.
Lance Stroll.
Yeah. 1 minute
Crazy.
of clapping for Lance.
I
Stroll.
think after the race, that was the only thing that popped up and said, he's the
He's-
goat.
He's
of
the
Formula
goat, guys.
Yeah.
It's the goat Lance
Lance
Stroll.
Stroll. Killed it.
You
killed
guys hate him for no
it.
reason.
You gotta
man.
give it to him, man.
Yeah, man. Give him something.
But yeah, ठीक है. Should we touch upon our papaya army,
Yeah, why not? Go ahead.
or
No, go ahead.
should we first come up put a little bit of focus on Merck, because the
I
fact
don't
that
think Merck are focusing on themselves. That we
the
should.
fact that Toto said we forgot.
Now again, I don't know if that's a joke or if that's real.
I was coming to that. Did it really happen?
I don't see Toto is such an egoistic man. I don't think even if he makes a mistake like
He's
that,
not
he
an
will
egoistic
say.
man. Come on.
Bro, come on.
Let me cover for him. He's not an egoistic man. See, I would say he's an animated, aggressive, and a very poised.
These are people who have
Kind
their
of-
respect, whose self-respect comes above everything else, and whose
don't think
image
so.
comes above. No, come on.
Image, obviously, yeah. But
a Vowles
I think
and none of these big team principals like a Horner, a Toto Wolff, even a Fred Vasseur will ever accept that you forgot a 2 pit stop. Think about it. Nobody in
I
there.
think Toto accepts his mistakes at times.
No, this is a blunder. It's not a mistake.
This is huge. This is huge.
Like I literally put up a story saying,
That's
"Can
the
somebody
reason I was
remind?"
wondering, did he really say it? Did he really come out and
I
say it?
am
Because
also not sure if he actually said it or not, because I don't
I've not
see
found it
a
anywhere else apart
Toto
from there.
from yeah.
From something that she shared with me.
Yeah, I mean, I'm cool like that. So I don't know if like I don't know if Toto will say that, dude. Like Toto is not that guy.
Crazy.
Okay, guys, you tell us. Do you think Toto is a person who will accept that he forgot 2 pit stops, or is he a person who will never accept that he forgot 2 pit stops?
Because I don't understand the strategy.
Mercedes, right? Mercedes. Okay, Kimi Antonelli felt like the middle child who their parents forgot to pick up from school when it came to pit stops. Like
Ouch.
everybody in the world did pit stops, and Kimi is still at 0. I mean, होता नहीं वो school का बच्चा
There
खड़ा हुआ
were-
और कोई आया नहीं उसको लेने.
there were no conversations also on the radio. Should I go for a pit stop?
Bullshit.
What is happening? Nothing.
But
So
again,
I'm
it is-
wondering exactly what were they thinking.
It is not a driver's responsibility to ask for a pit stop. It's a
No, but
driver.
still,
It's
yaar,
only a
the
driver's
fact that-
responsibility to talk about a pit stop if his tires are bad.
No, point being, if I'm in a race where I am a driver and I know that there is a mandatory 2 pit stop, it's not coming. Now, eventually, I'll ask the team, ki, bhai, what's the plan? Tell me.
But more than that, I would also think, like, fuck, in the race. Before the race, you have those, those briefings.
Yeah.
That strategy 1, strategy 2.
ABC. Plan ABC.
Which plan was this? Plan 0? Like,
don't know.
what was going on?
Very sad. Very sad.
Toto, what were you smoking? Please tell us.
I have to mention this, dude. Like,
What?
so here was a fresh take where George Russell was asked,
Huh?
and I probably want to know your views and everyone else's views as well. Okay, should F1 make the Monaco GP a qualifying contest?
Oh yeah, so many drivers had so much.
George
to say,
Russell
man.
suggested a radical shift. He says there should be no race and
Lego
it's a
races.
qualifying race. You do one on Saturday, one on Sunday. The guy who qualifies pole gets some points and gets a little trophy, and the one on Sunday gets some points. He also says qualifying is the most exhilarating moment of the weekend. Driving 4 seconds off the pace here is dead easy. You effectively can put an F2 car out there and they've got a chance of holding up an F1 car.
Actually, to be very honest, George that day after the race had kind of lost some of his shit. He even said we should do a Lego race. We should have like every car should have sprinklers behind their thing, and they should be able to like put it on even once in the race. It could be any lap just to make it more interesting. George had lost a lot of his marbles last race, and I understand that. Actually, to
Yeah,
be very honest,
definitely
even
understand.
Max was like, "There's nothing here. Either you do 2 pit stops, 15 pit stops. There's nothing. Like
Yeah.
you can't change anything here because
That's
like
true.
there is no okay. If this is how big the track is, and this is how big my car is, चाहे तुम 120 pit stop कर लो, तुम overtake तो
not
कर
gonna
नहीं
help.
पा रहे हो ना.
Fair.
There are no overtakes, so I don't know how you want to make it interesting for the people without widening the track. And you cannot widen the track because rasta hai wo. At the end of the day, it's a street circuit.
You can
It's a
add
street.
probably.
No, it's a street.
Yeah,
घर
but
बने हुए हैं side में भाई.
Yeah, so I'm
घर
saying.
तोड़ दे.
No, the point being you can add another.
I love how calm Stalin is. It's like it just balances my energy. I'm just like, हाँ घर तोड़ देने like नहीं यार, घर नहीं तोड़ना bro.
I'm just saying you can probably add another
What?
road now. You can
From
always
where?
add a D2.
India नहीं है कि कल खोदने
You
लग
never
गए
know.
2 महीने तक लोग
We've
पड़े.
not seen where there's one exit which is going somewhere else. Probably you start digging a road around one building somewhere, and that gives you some width. You never
FIA,
know.
if you need to
Just
replan
saying, just saying.
Monaco, we have Stalin.
Definitely don't call the BMC, but
Yeah, call Stalin. Stalin
yeah,
will
shit, I
help
shouldn't
you.
have said that. But anyways, we are moving to the Papaya Army. Before we discuss the Papaya Army, you want to say something? Should we discuss Khush also? Would you see him in the F1 probably soon?
भाई मैं बस इतना प्रे करूंगी कुछ एल्पिन में कभी ना आए.
But I think
Even
if
though
he
he's
has to
an
come up
Alpine
the
reserve
ranks,
driver.
if he has to come up the ranks, I think he'll come from there only. Do you
Yeah,
think?
he is an Alpine junior driver. First of all, Kush,
Yeah, good stuff.
it was
Very proud, very
so nice to hear the Indian anthem on
Yeah,
the podium.
and the fact that his hand was here and he was like full emotional when
Bro,
he was
it's a
singing
big
national
thing.
anthem.
When
Yeah,
was the last time you heard an Indian national anthem on the podium?
crazy?
I don't remember. I don't even know if it ever happened. So
At least from the time I've been following,
No,
I'm
man,
not
the-
out of anything.
yeah, I don't think ever any Indian has ever won. Like Jehan might have won, if I'm not wrong. Jehan might have won a few races here and there initially in his career.
Have you been following Kush in terms of his races and just asking because that's what
Yes, a lot.
because
don't ask
I'm-
me these questions, bro.
I'm also one, coming from a place ki I want to know, will he be able to get into F1? Because I recently watched one of his interviews and he said, that he's faced a lot of racism.
Of course,
In terms of
Hamilton यही तो बोलता रहता है बेचारा.
yeah, in F1, and the fact that he's been able to come up the ranks and prove himself in an F2, which you normally see, right? F2 drivers, if they're winning something, there is a good chance that he'll come into F1. Obviously, one race is not enough to decide.
Not
He'll
just
have to be
driving, you also
consistent.
need sponsors. More than driving, it's also sponsors.
I
Like
hope
we
he
have also
is.
seen so many drivers with good drivers who come in but they don't have any sponsors. They never get an F1 seat. Or there's so many fuck all drivers who come in just because they have an F1 seat, right? Like just because they have sponsors. So I mean, it's not just a driving skill issue. I think there's a lot more that comes into play for that. But again, having said that, I also believe that now India, like before when Jehan and all were driving, the amount of Indian following that we have now, we didn't have that. So for that, I think we'll also we can also get a few Indian sponsorships. Like I wouldn't be surprised if tomorrow a Reliance or something would want to sponsor Kush.
Geo.
Yeah, like a Geo would want to sponsor Kush,
Nice.
because you never know. These people have money. They want to, like, for a person like Ambani would want to be known. Like for him, that's a great step. If you're listening to me,
Please
you
take
better pay me
notes.
money for consultation, okay? But I think Geo sponsoring Kush is something that I see happening because Ambani wants it. Like Ambani wants power
Or
and
maybe
Kush
an
wants a sponsor.
Indian brand like a Tata.
Like,
Who's into the car scene? I don't know.
Tata, yeah, why not?
Because-
why not? Like Mahindra के पास उतने पैसे नहीं है. That's why they're doing F2 and all they are doing. But F1, no. But
Or
Kush,
maybe combined. You get 2-3 sponsors together in the
yeah,
Indian scene.
yeah. I think it is not as as impossible as I would say it was, say, 5-6 years back. But yes, I'm not taking anything away from the fact that Kush mentioned about racism, because that's what Hamilton has been talking about all these years. And if you look at the
My
grid,
boys. My boys.
yeah, if you look at the grid, there is nobody else who's brown,
Yeah.
who's not even brown. For screw black,
Yeah.
who's not even brown. So,
Yeah.
I mean, I am not surprised by that, but if you ask me, do I see Kush in an F1 car? I have been following, like, I don't watch F2 races fully, but I have been following Kush's journey because I've heard of him before I've seen him. That, oh, this guy is great, this guy's a lot
Yeah.
of promise. Like F3 and all, say I know Kush. When he came to F2, I was very happy and surprised that he was there. So I know that he has the ability for it, because even winning sprint is not easy.
Yeah.
Right? He's not with one of the best teams over there, right?
Yeah.
If I'm not wrong. I think there are better teams there. But he's winning it. And that's all you need. You just need to make your mark and be there and show yourself that you can do it. And then whoever needs to pick you up will pick you up. And thankfully, or maybe unluckily, that we'll know only with the course of time, he's with Brador. Brador doesn't care about anything else except performance. Or maybe sponsor, because Franco, I don't know. But maybe Briator is someone who will, like, if there is nobody else who's performing well, if Franco keeps crashing like he is, which I really hope he doesn't, because I see him also being a decent driver, then maybe Kush can come in. Maybe not now, maybe not next year, maybe not in the next 2 years. But
Eventually.
what we don't realize is these all drivers that we have on the grid right now, they are all similar age. They're all 27, 28, 29, except like a Lando, Oscar. These are newer ones, like a Max, Carlos, George. These are all Albon. These are all 27, 28. So aaj se 3-4 saal baad,
He'll also
this
be-
whole group is gonna exit.
Correct.
You know, Max is gonna exit before maybe, but this whole group is gonna exit. There's gonna be a void.
Fresh. Yeah.
There is going to be a void. They are not all Alonsos. They are not going to be driving still that low, because they are, again, Gen Z. Gen Z don't want to work forever. And they have made the
That's
amount of
true,
money.
that's true.
They have made the amount of money that they can live the rest of their lives freely. And they have businesses like a Hamilton, a Charles, a George, an Albon, a Max, a Carlos Sainz, Hulkenberg. These are all people who are getting older. And these are only on the top of my head. There's 7 people I see in 20 people that are going to go. There's 7 new seats.
Yeah.
So there are a lot of people who can come in.
Yeah.
Maybe they will
and
all
from
leave.
26 with those new rules. I don't know till when it'll be there, but
Then
it'll be
those are
even
the
more.
rules until they get, like, I think after 4 years. They always shift after 4 years, if I'm not wrong. Because last shift was happened in 2022, right? Change of car, if I'm not wrong. I can be wrong with this. I'm not fact checking on this one.
ठीक है, but
But yeah, they always. But वही है कि
get your point.
2026 के बाद, like, there's this gonna be a अब ये नहीं पता that will these people leave at the same time, will they be initial, some people want to drive for longer, that we'll only wait and find out. But there is a possibility कि, like, there's gonna be a big void on the seat side of the team, and these all people will come in, and there are a lot of new talent that are waiting. A Dragovic has been waiting in an Aston Martin since ages. He's been there क्या कहते हैं उसको, reserve driver for like 3 years now. There are so many people who are waiting. There are so many cream crowd. There are so many winners of F2. Because if you win F2, you can't drive F2 again,
Yeah.
right? So
Yeah.
what do you do then? You just wait around. There are so many people who are waiting around for a chance. So will Kush be one of those who will get that? That we don't know. But does he have the ability to? Yes.
That's a good one. I was going to ask you, have you watched the documentary The Seat?
The seat? No, I haven't.
No?
No.
About Kimi?
Oh,
Antonelli?
no, I haven't yet.
But
No,
you
I
heard
haven't.
of it?
I have.
I think they should make something similar. At least the
Did you
Indian-
watch it?
Yeah, I watched it. And
What do you think? Like,
I
tell
think
us.
obviously it's a promotional event for WhatsApp. I think so. That's what it is. Because
Oh, is it?
yeah, I think so. It's integrated in a way that most of the stuff is pushed for WhatsApp Messenger in terms of the chats and whatever's happening.
Must
I
be
think
a
it was
sponsor,
okay.
yeah. But
not
how's
not
the
that
docu?
great.
Is it as good
I think
as-
no, it's not as good as Drive to Survive. It's kind of okay. It just gives you a little more of what Kimi was in terms of how he's grown and the kind of videos that they have around him, his growth, him being a small,
I
something
have
up.
a question with this. Do you think Kimi is Kimi is being a little overrated right now? Do you think Kimi is overrated?
Honestly, the fact, like, in his first race and the fact that he's won F2 and all that, very, very difficult to say right now.
Kimi hasn't won F2.
I think he has.
When did he win F2?
I don't know. He's at least been on the
Kimi
podium.
win.
Oh, no.
Kimi
He's
came
won
F3 to see the F1.
Haan,
He didn't do F2.
Correct. My bad. So F3 to F1. But I think very early to say anything for him. I'm not sure if he's
As
overrated.
As of now, do you think Kimi is overrated? Like the amount, like getting a Netflix documentary before even finishing your first season.
I
You
think
know
that
what
is
I mean?
the sponsorship.
You know, yeah,
honestly.
you know what I mean?
But
Because
in that way,
like if
maybe
you see other sportsmen when
maybe,
they get a
maybe.
documentary, they get a documentary when they have
Achieved something.
achieved shit. Like a George didn't get a documentary. and
No, but
and
see,
a Kimi got a
again,
documentary.
you mentioned this from an
What?
F3 to an F1.
Huh.
It's a big thing, dude.
So
F3
did
to
Max
an
also
F1.
did F3 to F1.
But that's why they're making something around. Now, Max is a different thing altogether. His thing with the FI and he's not getting stuff. I'm
No,
not
but
saying anything.
Max also did F3 to F1.
मैं
He's
नहीं
not the
बोल रहा
first
हूँ.
driver is all I
He
mean.
may be someone who will say, I don't want a documentary. He's that kind of guy.
हाँ,
He will
उसको-
not come out and speak
वो
and
अभी नहीं
show his
करेगा
videos
कुछ.
and all.
Yeah, he's
I'm
like,
just
fuck
saying.
you. Yeah,
But in
fair.
the same way, Kimi has gotten and
Good for Kimi. I'm happy
Yeah.
for him. But I feel Hajar is a better driver.
I think the signs are good. We look smart. But I mean,
Hajar seems very promising, dude. I don't know. I
I
have
won't be
I have
surprised
so much fire.
midway if
हाँ.
Yuki doesn't keep doing well
मैं तो वही कह रही हूँ.
or he crashes or whatever. Haja should definitely give it a shot.
No, but I don't want that for him, man.
Yeah, I mean,
you know
I'm-
why? Because I feel
No, but Red Bull is a team that can do that.
हाँ, from what
Christian
I know,
Horner-
but we can always hope, right?
Yeah, we
तुम
can
अगर
hope,
Ferrari होके डेलुलु हो सकते हो, मैं Red Bull होके थोड़ा तो डेलुलु हो ही सकते हैं.
हो जा.
मतलब मैं कह रही हूँ कि he deserves to be in a decent car which he can drive. Like
Fair.
Yuki, okay, again, which remind me, Red Bull is not a shit car anymore this season.
I'm not saying
No,
anything.
I'm just saying
You
they
said
have.
it last time also. We are supporting you. Red Bull's a great car.
Yeah,
Just
now-
hope that they keep performing the way they are.
Yeah, I mean now they cannot run behind, like they cannot hide behind the thing ki, oh, Red Bull is not a fast
they
car.
said it in the last. They said in the last race. Other teams also have agreed to it that
Yeah.
Red Bull is a fast car now with the upgrades.
Yeah.
And
Decent
no one's
car.
saying-
Decent, like fourth
Nah,
fastest.
nah.
Nahin,
We
nahin.
are not saying
You know
decent.
why?
We are saying they're
you
a
know
fast
why I'm
car.
saying fourth fastest? Because take Max though was
He
in top
couldn't-
5 even when the car was shit. I'm looking at how Red Bull is seeing how well Yuki is doing. Because that is the guy we need to focus on when it comes to how drivable a car is. Because Max तो कुछ भी चला लेगा.
Also depends on the tracks ना थोड़ा बहुत.
हाँ,
कि जहाँ पे बहुत straights है, you know that the car
But
will
Red
pull.
Bull doesn't have straight line speed this year. McLaren has a better straight
Now
line
I
speed.
think after the upgrade they have a straight line speed and they don't have the
Corners.
pace for the corners for a slow tracks. I think they don't have that. Let's
Could
see.
be.
Let's see.
We'll figure that out. But
Yeah.
I feel Red Bull is still, I would say, the third fastest car. I would say first is McLaren, second is Mercedes, and third is Red Bull.
Mercedes, you sure?
Yeah. Mercedes is fast.
Third is Red Bull, fourth is Ferrari, or would you give to
Third and
Williams?
fourth, yeah. I would say third and fourth, like Ferrari and Red Bull is right now the same speed. Because,
Ferrari and Red Bull
yeah.
seems
Because honestly, hear me out. If
you're
you.
hurting me.
I'm sorry, but it's true.
You can't.
But it's
How is-
true. Because the thing is, if I see like all the overtakes that have happened on Max with a McLaren has only happened because there was no straight line speed that Red Bull had, that McLaren had.
Where?
I'm not talking
on
about
this
Monaco.
race, अच्छा.
Monaco में overtakes ही नहीं हुए.
मैं
generally
वही
कह
पूछ रहा हूँ
रही
कि my.
नहीं मैं generally कह रही हूँ that all the overtakes you've seen happen on Max. Do you
But
remember
before
Max?
to forget, I'm just saying after Imola now specifically, right?
Imola
That's-
maybe Imola who
that's-
won? Oscar won, right? Who
Yeah.
started Imola? Max started Imola? Oscar only started Imola? Overtake किसका था वो Max वाला?
Max ने overtake किया. Max won Imola. Right?
No.
Who
Didn't
won
Oscar
Imola?
won Imola?
No,
Oscar
yeah.
won 3 Oh, Max won Imola. I'm so sorry. My bad.
So he was the
Max
one who
won
took that
Imola.
first cut, na?
Yeah. So yeah, that if you remember, that overtake was on a corner, not on the straight lines. Because straight line speed,
No,
McLaren...
but after that he was zoom.
Fresh air. Max is a guy that if you give him this much space, he's going to take it. And if you give him this much fresh air, he's going to take that as well.
It's,
That
I
is
think
the
I think
thing.
I think with him also now what I've realized is it's also his skill. He as a driver is
Yeah,
I think
he's
now
up
for
there.
me
he's
up
better.
there. Yeah,
he's a goat. Like okay.
Hamilton is a goat.
I'm okay.
Correct yourself, please.
No, he is the goat. Like if you talk about people in the paddock who have been racing for years, and when they talk about Max, they all say he's the generational talent of
Yeah,
this
but I am saying Hamilton is a goat.
जैसा तुम्हें सही लगे, whatever helps you sleep at night.
But just correct yourself.
सच्चाई तो सच्चाई है ना.
Correct yourself.
Why do you want my
please.
validation?
Come on, yaar. चल यार. मतलब Max fan does it मजा आता है.
क्या नहीं है वो goat?
Come on.
I'm sorry, he's not.
He
the
is
goat.
what he is, yeah. Come
Yeah,
on.
Verstappen is the goat. That's what I'm saying also. I want to, I want to fucking give you a. I'll. If this crosses, if we have like 100K, the day we have 100K
These guys don't fucking
subscribers,
care if it crosses or no.
when
What are you telling them?
the day we have 100K subscribers, I'm gonna gift you a Hamilton Ferrari cap.
Can you give me something more like Hamilton Ferrari cap? Maybe chance to meet Hamilton. ऐसा कुछ बोल यार.
मेरा बाप थोड़ी है वो, ये क्या बात होती है भाई?
You have your circle, dude. Your contacts.
If I had my circle, you
लेके
think I'd be
जा
sitting here? I'd be in Monaco right now, bro. What the fuck are you talking about?
Yeah, but eventually you will, no?
Yeah, one day. See, if I ever get an invite for a race and I have a +1, I'll take you with me. Chal.
Woo!
Chal,
Oh, the
इतना.
set हो गया. Come
But you
on.
have to shoot with. You have to shoot
Yeah,
me the whole
yeah,
time.
I'll do
Okay,
that.
fine.
Free का. Personal photographer, personal vlogger. That's my job.
वही बोल के वही जाना पड़ेगा ना. ये
समझ
थोड़ी
गया,
बोले मैं अपने
समझ
दोस्त को लेकर ना लैंड निकल.
So much though we'll do only.
Yeah, चल ठीक है.
Uh,
Okay,
Great fun.
Before we die, before we finish this podcast, I mean this episode dies, I just want to also point out how subtly F1 kind of soft launched Lando and Magui.
I was just coming to McLaren only, but anyways.
Dude, I feel it's just. I mean, that poor guy has been trying to keep that relationship, hidden for like ages. Because
I'm sorry, but if you get your wags to the race like that, I think it's understood.
But
bro.
you do know that Magui has been coming for a lot of races, right?
Yeah, but I mean, like, अभी थोड़ा सा.
I mean, F1 ने soft launch कर दिया. मैं तो यही बोलूँगी because the amount of times they showed Magui is crazy, bro. Like it's
I
like
think they
F1
showed
was
someone
paid.
else. I think it was
Alexandra, his mom.
Alexandra. Yeah, I think it was Alexandra. only.
Alexandra was so pretty, and she's like a
And
confirmed
she was
wag.
mentioned as partner there.
Yeah.
Because they gave a name, they showed Charles. and
Lando hasn't
partner.
confirmed ना.
Yeah,
but
but-
उसके बाद भी हग वग दिखाते हैं, मतलब soft launch तो हो ही गया है, guys. And now it's too late. Lando must be thinking.
I'm
ये
happy
क्या
for
कर
him though.
दिया?
I'm saying it's okay.
She's hot. She's pretty.
I think
But
even him coming
you
out of
know-
a cafe, I think that there were those paps also that
But you.
coming out of a cafe and they said.
Oh, if you're talking paps and cafe, and if you want to talk gossip.
No. We don't want to get there.
I just
dude.
want to
Not the
say
personal space.
that why not? It's gossip. Come on. Hamilton was recently with a with a
Don't.
with
Come
a
on,
mod-
man. Let's
Hamilton
just.
तेरे को आके sue नहीं करेगा. Chill
No,
मत.
but at least
What?
let him have his time. Now. We don't know. कि क्या
What?
है.
I'm not saying it's his wife. I'm just saying Hamilton was found. Hamilton was spotted getting out of a
We
cafe.
don't know. Was he?
And then he saw the paps and he ran back in. And the
didn't-
girl
he
just
didn't-
went there
I
and she's
think-
standing, okay, and she looks back and Hamilton's run away and she's like, okay, now what do I do? And then Hamilton's like, fuck, now it's too late. So then he comes out and starts walking like there's nothing.
Yeah, I feel sad for him sometimes.
Why are
He
you
like,
sad?
No, I mean like
The hottest
maybe,
guy, you're
maybe
earning
you
shitloads
want
of money. You have the hottest women at your, क्या कहते हैं उसको?
yeah,
At
but
your,
sometimes like you mentioned, you want to launch it in a certain way, right?
हाँ.
If that doesn't happen,
फिर कैफे में ऐसे cool बन के घूमने की
I don't think so. He was expecting that, dude. I think it's a place
I
where
mean, yeah,
there were
I'm-
not many paps,
See,
but
when
the
you're a
fact that
public figure,
someone-
I
हाँ.
understand that your personal life is kind
Precious.
of what is that? Wow, I've been forgetting so many words. I
Precious.
hate it. No, you're
Private.
It's
Personal
like
life is private.
compromised. It's you have to compromise your private life a little bit. Like how we say, like how Lando shouldn't have brought Magui with his parents if we didn't want coverage. Fair
you
enough.
also caught, no?
Maybe it was, huh?
You also caught yesterday.
Caught?
The paps caught you somewhere yesterday.
Where?
Yeah, yesterday you were coming out of some cafe with someone.
Yeah, it was me only. Guys, it was me and Lando. Actually, we're not supposed to tell each other that we are not supposed to tell the world that I'm dating him right now.
Bhi,
So,
थोड़ा ज़्यादा.
I
At
don't
least
know.
give some other name. Na Lando we already
of course,
spoken
क्योंकि
about
तू
with his
झूठ बोल रहा है तो
girlfriend.
मैं तुझे push कर दूँ थोड़ा
But at
उसको.
least take some nice person whose
Oh,
girlfriend
Lando's
hasn't been
very
showed.
nice.
Arey, but his girlfriend has already
Everybody
been
else is
showed. People have
20.
shipped him together.
Everybody else is 20,
So what?
bro. But,
But,
whatever. Moving on.
Yeah, we can also speak about McLaren a bit.
नहीं,
I
McLaren
think.
हो गया. They're good.
मतलब
They're great.
happy.
Lando.
कर दिया
सबका
भाई.
मुंह बंद कर दिया तूने. Very good.
तेरा भी ना.
मेरा
You
तो
were
कर
also
दिया.
saying कि
What?
Piastri, you
Piastri
like
is
Lando.
great. I will never not love Lando.
I'm just saying.
I
We
was just
spoke about it
saying
last
कि-
weekend and he
कि
came back
हाँ,
and he's
कि-
like, Himika, who's your
Do
daddy?
you love me yet? No. I still love you, Lando. In case you did it for me, I understand that is a big step, but it's fine. I still love you.
You know, he follows a lot of Indian content, right? So maybe
He
if
follows a lot of Indian. Who said that?
Indian sports. I gave you the reference last time also, no?
Wow.
Virat Kohli pe he and
That's Oscar
Piastri.
Piastri.
Yeah, even
Lando
Lando had
doesn't
a
follow cricket.
he had a comment. I'm sure it was not from his side. McLaren must have told him to do something. But even the reel that I sent you that day for Delhi Capitals,
उसमें तो ऑस्कर ने कमेंट किया.
और उस पे ऑस्कर ने कमेंट नहीं किया. Delhi Capitals have made a video for both Lando and for Piastri.
हाँ,
So
because
they have also shown their
हाँ, but
whatever.
they're just knowing
Signed jerseys,
Lando
yeah.
doesn't care. वो उनका काम, but Lando doesn't care about cricket. Is all I'm saying. Lando doesn't know cricket. Lando doesn't understand cricket.
He may read the way you're throwing tantrums at him. He may read at least the way you're throwing the love for him.
Nahin. He saw my story once, just by the way.
See,
I have a
that's what I'm
screenshot.
talking about, dude.
But now he's not using social media anymore. He's mentioned that, right? He was mentioning that in
Wants
the
to be world champion. I
drivers
think
conference, and he was like, "I'm gonna take a step back from social media." I mean, it's great for him, but I'm a little upset because now who's gonna watch all the cute edits that they make for him? I don't make edits, but somebody else does, and they have some really cool edits, by the way. So yeah, I mean, to each his own. And I think if it worked, if it got him the win, then good for him. Also McLaren, I think I told you last time, right, that McLaren has made a thing that after summer break, whoever is in the leads will be the driver who is going to
I
be.
heard this somewhere, but
It
I'm
was
not
me
sure
only.
if it is.
In
No,
my
it wasn't you.
In my in that story, in the
Oh,
I
ah,
mentioned it.
yeah. I've been following
can
content
you-
so much. I think I need to detox from your content.
Ca-
I can't remember who I said what.
just because I give you information, excuse me, where else did you hear it? Nowhere else, because Himika gave it to you.
Oh, shit.
Guys, if you want info before this, then you should follow me.
And follow Brew also. Doesn't
Follow
matter.
Dhruv.
Brew.
Oh, follow. Yeah, ये तो कर ही रहे हो ना, वरना देखोगे कैसे हमें? That's stupid.
I was coming to to the point to ask you, what do you think of Barcelona? Give me some vague.
What
like-
about Barcelona? It's a great place. Summers.
Spain? Chalo, Spain. GP.
¿Cómo está?
Muy bien.
Ah, toi. What about Spain? I think it's a proper circuit, right? It's not a street circuit.
Doesn't matter. I want to know who's gonna win.
Who's gonna win?
Kuch to give us some gup.
Wait. Let me
Are
find
make
my
some
ball.
calls, ask them,
Sochu,
and then you
Sochu.
tell me.
Wait, let me just text Zach and figure
Haan.
out what's happening.
Why Zach?
Zach will know now which of
Shouldn't
the
you
McLaren
call
boys,
the
which
Red
of the
Bull team?
McLaren boys are
McLaren?
getting.
I thought you would be rooting for Max that he's gonna come back in Spain.
Will Max win Spain? Will Ferrari? You know what? Let's be fair. मेरा दिल बोल रहा है कि ऑस्कर पियास्ट्री इज विनिंग
से अच्छा मीम बनेगा मेरे को लग
I
रहा है.
feel-
Give us- say it.
Okay, I will make 3 predictions and you also make 3 predictions. Okay, 1-1. Okay. First is winner. I think. Oh my god, it's so tough. First you say.
Arey, you are at the mic. You say P1, I'll say.
You will also say
Acha,
P1
okay,
है
okay.
क्या?
No, but you go first. Come on.
Okay,
I
on-
asked you the question.
Okay, on
yeah.
like 3-2-1. ठीक है?
No,
3-2-1. Both
First
will
you say yours.
I'm being bullied.
Because then the edit will take थोड़ा सा
Okay, guys.
difficulty.
ठीक है.
Look at
my
the camera
P1
nicely.
अरे मैं सुन रही थी यार. Guys, I do my predictions on Saturday after.
No.
after-
That is later. You say now. This has to go viral.
Okay. P1. Oscar Piastri.
That is cheating, man.
How? Oscar didn't text me yet. He's gonna text me tonight when like Lily goes to sleep. Not now.
You should say Max, yeah.
Why?
Because you've
Man,
been backing Max all the time.
Just because I'm a fan does not mean I'm delusional. I'm still fair.
What about Lando?
What about Lando? मेरा पति थोड़ी है वो. What
But
about
you
Lando?
said अभी good
अब
and
क्या सब
all
थोड़ी
and
जीत
he's
सकते
come
हैं
back,
यार.
ये
One
वो.
winner. I think it's Oscar Piastri. अब तुम बता.
I think.
Yeah, winner. Oscar. Winner. Sorry, winner. say Lewis Hamilton.
I'll
Say na.
I'll tell you.
You support Hamilton so much.
I support him, but I am also not Delulu.
Are you not? Okay.
Let's be fair. Let's give everyone some content.
Stroll.
Content.
Acha, acha.
But stroll is like I'll have to pack my bags and go. I would say Charles.
वापस बोल ताकि अच्छे से बना पाऊँ मैं.
I would say, guys, P1.
मुझे देख के बोल. बोलो.
No, I think, guys, P1 is going to Max.
नहीं गलत बात.
Max. I think Max.
नहीं,
P1
guys,
Max.
ये वाला नहीं
नहीं,
डालेंगे.
P1 Max.
हम
Please,
यार-
यार. I said P1 Max.
गलत बात है. ये तो शायद बोला पहले.
अरे
मैं I stuck with Oscar.
But now, My mind is saying that
Why-
maybe it's Max.
Why didn't it say earlier?
Arey, because
I know.
now is the proper take, dude.
Cheating. नहीं Max is guys Charles.
Okay, chal. P1 Charles.
हाँ edit बनाने हैं ना अच्छे से
अच्छा,
बनाएंगे
P1
ठीक है?
Charles.
Okay.
P2.
और नहीं P2 नहीं other ना P2 P1 P2 P3 करने
हाँ.
हैं फिर 3 अलग-अलग चीजें जैसे how they were like Williams will crash and shit वैसे कुछ बोलते हैं ना ताकि I would
ठीक है.
say Oscar no Lando and Max are gonna have a tiff.
Lando and Max.
Yeah, because apparently, Lando was saying something about Max, and he's like, oh, this and that, and
Is this true or you're just
yeah,
saying it? Ah, okay,
apparently, matlab,
okay. No, Max, because you can be very like.
no, this is real. So apparently, Max was asked about some of the comments that Lando made about Max about his driving, and Max is like, this is not worth my time. So there is little tension happening there. So I mean, gone. You know, I have a feeling that नहीं actually नहीं हो सकता वो अब नहीं होगा.
अभी बोल दे तो बोल
अच्छा
दिया.
चल ठीक है बोल.
You said it.
Yeah, Lando and Max are gonna have a tiff. I won't know if they'll go off the fucking war, but they are definitely gonna like.
Okay. Can I give mine?
Yeah.
I think Hamilton will get a podium.
Now that's funny. Now that's funny. I can already hear the sound.
Yeah, I also can.
Okay, my third. Williams, Albon top 5. Albon
आ
top
जाएगा
5.
आ जाएगा. I
वो
think
तो पता है मुझे कुछ तो सही बोलूं.
नहीं,
Albon top 5.
अच्छा ठीक है चल.
तू बता.
I think
Let's see the thought.
you didn't take my Maxwell thing, na?
What Max?
Oh no. We took Charles. I think we'll have a DNF.
ये क्या टट्टी सा सवाल है?
सवाल नहीं है यार,
ये
it's a
टट्टी सा
statement.
जवाब है एक DNF
Okay,
होगा वाह.
can I
क्या मजाक है
okay,
ये?
let me tell you who will be. Who will it be? DNF.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's fun.
That's fun?
Stroll.
No. I think
Cola Pinto.
Science will have a DNF.
तेरे मुंह में Okay, नहीं. Yeah, science on fucking. That's just sad, dude. That's just rude. Why are you killing my
I'm
science?
just thinking,
yaar?
yeah, I think Science.
Okay, you know what?
You know, now I'm rooting for my things to come, right? I'm already feeling it.
I do feel they're gonna be DNFs, but I think it's gonna be like they're gonna be 3 DNFs. Is my.
ये सब नहीं just now when I said one DNF, you said,
But 3
Give-
is big, yaar.
it's
What
not
is-
big. Give me proper names.
अच्छा, okay.
Who are the 3?
Who are the 3 guys?
Yeah, give me 3
अच्छा, चल, ठीक
DNFs.
है. Cola Pinto.
ये थोड़ा सा obvious लग रहा है.
Obvious क्या मतलब?
This is
तूने क्यों नहीं
but
बोला फिर
obvious.
Cola Pinto?
नहीं, but I don't want to. I don't want to
बोलूंगी
make it
ना
sound
मैं.
like
I'll say
that.
3,
I'm
I'll say
supporting
3.
the young boys.
Cola Pinto. और कौन था? कौन है और?
Don't say Lance
गाड़ी
Stroll.
कौन चला
Say
रहा है?
Alonso.
Alonso.
Fuck you.
Alonso. And ठीक है चल विलियम्स नहीं विलियम नहीं है. I like Williams too much.
You're saying
Lawson.
both the cars.
Lawson.
मतलब you're picking the ones who are.
Yeah.
ठीक है अच्छा.
एक और लास्ट दे दे फिर we'll end the video. तू कहाँ लिख के आया है क्या तू?
I'm looking at the names just to
अच्छा,
get
oh.
it to my mind ki like
Smarty यार boys very smarty okay. What?
Hülkenberg in the top 8. Nico.
I love how funny Stalin is. I
Yeah.
love him. I love you. देखो पता है कितना टट्टी गाड़ी है 100 पर इस बार. Okay. Now we have finally reached the end of our video because I just don't stop talking.
Was
Thanks.
good one.
Yeah.
मजा आ गया.
Yeah, right? So, Red Bull, we need money. Please give us some
Who's that
money.
guy? Call him. What's his name? Sorry.
Arjuna, I really want to go to Arjuna. It's a great
Bye,
cafe.
cut. Yes,
Acha,
cut.
okay. So, fuck me. So, guys, we have finally reached the end of the video, as we should, because it's time. Before we go, we are gonna continue the thing that we started last week, which is how much would you rate Monaco out of 10? Actually, I want to guess today how much Stalin will rate it because last time he did and then I went around it. So I think he's going to guess. Okay, I'm going to show it to the camera what I think he's going to say about Monaco. Okay, and you can do the same for.
Just put on your
No, I'm doing a
Calci,
right.
so that it's big.
It's big only. I made a notes and I wrote with a markup. So
Achha, I also do on notes, no then.
this is how much I think he's going to rate it, guys. Is it focused? Okay.
Where should I show this?
On this camera.
Okay. Focus, Abdul.
Abdul is not focusing anyone.
Okay, ready.
Fuck you.
You say. You say how much you gave. Come on.
Oh, sorry, talking to me.
Yeah.
I would rate it 6 on 10. How much did you say?
I'll tell you at the end.
How much did you rate it?
I would rate it. Actually, I would also give it a 6 on 10.
Shooting.
Come on, yaar. I'm thinking it's 6 on 10.
Last race you gave how much? Which the race that you really like to give a 7. This race you hate and giving it 6.
Yeah, meaning hate as in I'm not saying it was. I said it was okay.
मैंने
इतना
hate
बुरा
नहीं
भी नहीं था, उतना अच्छा भी नहीं
तूने
था.
बोला बहुत ही बेकार था.
I
तूने बोला
told you
मैं नहीं कर रहा
I
ये.
enjoyed Saturday and Friday. No, I was watching
अच्छा, we
consistently.
counting Friday Saturday also.
Race is a full thing, yeah. Package के साथ.
Kidding, यार.
आप 3 दिन
अच्छा,
देखो.
how much did you give?
I said you would give 7.5.
Oh really? I said you'd give 4 because
I was
told them-
thinking of 4.
No, I really thought you'd give 4, dude. Shit.
I was thinking of 4, dude. Fuck.
चल 0-0 है अभी हमारा score. We still haven't been able to guess. According to Stalin, you think it's a 6 out of 10 race.
Yeah.
And
And
according to
according to
me,
you also.
I think it's a 6 out of 10 race because there were things, there were not things. We have different reasons. He liked the qualifying. I kind of liked the race, but somehow he gave the same marks as me. So you'll have to question Stalin on that, on his integrity, on how much he gives points as per what. But we can do that in the comments. That's what the comments are for. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. We had a lot of fun today chatting and gossiping about stuff. And I hope you guys had fun too. And if there's anything that you want us to talk about, as I say every week, but none of you listen to me. But so yeah, if there's anything you want to talk about, or anything you want us to talk about, anything you want to shit on, please shit on us. We love being shat on. It's great. Because some comments.
I love the monologue.
You got the mood, right?
Yeah.
So that's pretty much it. You know the drills. Like, subscribe, share with your friends, and let all of them say shit to us. It's perfect. That's how we want it. And we will see you
Next weekend.
next week.
Thank you, guys. I just saw you got so many rings, dude.
Oh yeah.
What is it like?